Have you purchased a new printer and are you looking for installation of drivers and setup software? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. So in this video we are going to see first time setup of HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 all-in-one printer. For downloading and setup of printer software, you just need to open any of your web browser in your PC or smartphone. Let me show you how can you do it. Okay, so I am on desktop of my PC and here I am going to launch web browser Google Chrome. But you can open any of your browser in your PC like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Okay, so after opening the browser, in address bar you just need to type the website name, which I am going to type here, which is official website of HP, which is support.hp.com, and just press the enter key. After that you will see this website, and you just need to scroll down here, and in this box you just need to type the printer model name, exactly the driver or the software for the printer which you are looking for. So let me type the printer model name. Okay, so I have typed the printer model name in this box, and as you can see there are various results on the screen. So you just need to select the correct printer model name which you are looking for. So I will select this one because this is the exact printer name, and after that it will search for the printer. Now as you can see, this page will open. Here you can see the printer appearance, right? And after that you just need to scroll down, and here you will find the option which is software, drivers and firmware. You just need to click here. After clicking there you will find this page which is software and drivers for HP OfficeJet Pro 8025 all-in-one printer, and under all drivers you will find various drivers or set of softwares for various issues or various operations. So like if you are looking for installation of the printer or setup or maintaining the printer, then you can download the HP Smart app, which is recommended by HP as well. It having various features in this application. You can click on just install and it will install in your PC. Here you can set up or manage your printer, and if you are looking for diagnostic tool and there is any issue or any problem in your printer like printing or scanning issues, here you can see fixes, installation and driver issues. Then you just need to click on plus icon, and here you will find HP Print and Scan Doctor for Windows, because this software is available for Windows device only. And if you are looking for drivers for fax driver, then you can just click here, and you will find HP Universal Fax Driver for Windows. So you just need to click on download. It will download in your PC, and you can follow on screen instructions to troubleshoot or set up your printer. And if you're looking for installation software, then you can also download the HP Easy Start Printer Setup software. This is for office use and this is for the normal use. And if you are looking for printer firmware update and you want to update the printer in latest version, then you can download this software, which is firmware update software. So these are the software and drivers for your printer. So in this way you can download it and set up your printer easily. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.